Hey y'all, I'm So I'm very creeped out, but today we're gonna be filming a get ready with me. So let's get to it. Right now I'm in my living room because I'm very scared of being at home alone. So basically, I've locked every single door in this house. I'm not joking. So I'm in the living room. Good lighting. First, I use this bio oil. Really good for moisture. I don't even use primer no more. Like, I use this. Yeah, make it live. Okay, so I don't even use foundation anymore. Remember my old makeup videos where I use like so much foundation? I go straight into concealer. That's only because my skin is really good now. Not as much as your beauty gurus or whatever. By the way, I follow my Instagram feed down because I post very good content. And y'all be saying my videos be too short. What? Blend it out. I'm not done here, but also my concealer is on my concealer. I go in with this thing which is meant to be a contour, but it's not my shade for contour, so I use it to bake my under eyes. I've had this palette for like 10 billion years. Thankfully, I don't get pimples. My sister actually gets a lot of acne and she's younger, but I do skincare, so do your skincare, girls. Next, I'm doing my brows. I don't do too much because I have ugly brows. The difference. But story time, I was actually getting my brows done one time and they messed this brow up, so yeah. Mascara. So y'all, I have a best friend named Esther. Follow her Instagram. Okay, but basically she has really long lashes for like no reason. Like what? Then there's me, suffering, bald. Next thing is eyeshadow, y'all. So firstly, I take the shade Sahara to put as a base. This palette is so beat up, but next I take the shade Mocha and put it on like my crease. Which I also have a lip gloss named Moody Mocha from my brand. That's darker, right? I use the shade called Sand and I put it in my like inner corner or crease, I don't know. Shiny. It's funny because guys watching my videos it gold my for my inner corner. Now I'm gonna bake again and I'll be back with you. I'm baking, don't judge. I look crazy, but I wipe it off, I promise. I have this really old palette, but I use this to highlight. I just remembered I haven't wiped up my bake. I'll be back. I'm really scared of this highlighter. I'm gonna use a different highlighter. I'll be back. This palette has a highlighter right here. I use the shade Frost from my other palette to highlight again. Glowy. Now I'm gonna put some lip gloss and I'll be right back. Juicy. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 50 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and follow my Instagram. And also follow my lip gloss Instagram. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Can you kiss me more? You're so young, boy. We ain't got patina. Ooh, can you kiss me more?
Don't gotta choose. $100 chocolate mousse.